All right, so welcome back to I hate being a homeowner. So we winterized this last year. We're gonna go ahead and under-winterize it. It's pretty easy. It's a couple screws and everything. All right, so first things first, you go ahead and undo these. Put one in. You screw it down and it just, you can hear my kids in the background. You screw this down, it just kind of pops this wedge out. Yes, you screw it, you can see it kind of pushing it up and out. So it's loose, comes right on out, just like this. Thing you do is this is kind of spring loaded. You just kind of push it back, and that comes right on out, just like that. Now we get our handy dandy from last year. Wrong way. Pop it in. Fits right in. Alright, so got this rope, but you can hear my kids fighting in the back because that's what they do. You just put this in, kind of let it get it all fitted. It's just that easy. And if you can see, it fits right into here. There's really no way to mess that up. Screw this again. Stick those in and screw them down so it wedges it all into itself. I do it like a car. Do one a bit, then the other. Let the other one go. Right, remember, look, do not over tighten. They don't need to be real tight. Okay, and that one's done, and that one's done. Okay, make them open. They're open. Now we're ready to turn the water back on. Okay, so we got it on. Turn the water on. Hear the water going through. Check it for leaks. Just make sure it's not leaking. You didn't break something. Look at that. We got a little spider right here by me. Let him go. All right. So again, thanks for following. It's really simple. Don't pay someone to do this. It's way too easy to do it yourself. See ya.